Jai Hind students, and welcome to the class of biology. Today we will discuss about a very interesting topic, but before telling the name of the topic, I would like to share a beautiful picture with you. Yes, here is a picture of a beautiful family. These are the parents and these are their children. Can you observe any similarity between these parents and their children? Yes, you can. There are so many similarities between parents and their children, and one of them is most peculiar, that is the curly hair of the father and her daughter. Here is another picture. What a beautiful mom with her baby. Is there any similarity you can find? Yes, you are right. The eyes of the mother is blue, and similarly the color of the eyes of the baby is also blue. Yes, we can say that in both these pictures there are few traits that passes on from parents to their children. These traits, watch the picture again. The curly hair, the trait of the curly hair passes from the father to her daughter. And in this picture, the trait of the color of the eye passes from the mother to her baby. In this way, we can say there are so many traits that passes from parents to their children or from ancestors to their descendants, and these traits are called hereditary traits. And the mechanism of passing these traits from one generation to another generation is called heredity. Yes, today we will discuss about the topic heredity. To define the word heredity, first of all, we should know about the hereditary characters that we came to know from the previous pictures. We can say the characters or traits that passes from one generation to another generation are called hereditary characters, and the mechanism of passing on these traits from generation after generation is called heredity. We can understand it again. The mechanism of passing of the traits from parents to their offsprings is called heredity. We can define it. The biological process of passing on traits from parents to their offsprings is called heredity or inheritance. The material responsible for the passing on these traits or inheritance is called genetic material. In most of the organisms, the genetic material is DNA, but in few bacteria and viruses, the genetic material is RNA. The branch of biology that deals with the study of inheritance is called genetics. Genetics is a subject It is a branch of biology that deals with the study of hereditary characters and the mechanism of passing on these characters from generation after generation, from one generation to another generation. This is about the hereditary characters and genetics and heredity in very brief. We will discuss about this topic in detail in the next video. Thank you.